Good evening, everyone. Tonight we'll be opening a box of 1990 Topps in search of the infamous Frank Thomas no name on front, as well as his normal rookie card, I guess. We'll settle for that, as well as the Larry Walker rookie card, Bernie Williams, Sammy Sosa, etc., etc. But we all know we're looking for the Frank Thomas no name on front. Otherwise, why would you open this box unless you just really love junk wax, which, I do. But still, I mean, the price of these boxes are going up solely because of that no name on front and everyone looking for it because we're all bored at home. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the Beckett from back in the day. This video, we have the Donnie baseball on the cover of May of 1990. And let's see here. 1990 Topps booking in at a whopping $25. And as we can see, not a whole lot. Todd Zeile rookie card there, $1.25. Hot prospect back in the day. Greg Vaughn rookie card, $1.25. And who else we got here? Ken Griffey Jr. first Topps card, $1.25. Although no one's looking for that card. They want the 89 Topps traded. You got Jerome Walton first Topps card, $1.25. Ben McDonald rookie card. Ooh, $2 for Ben McDonald. Hot card back in the day. And Eric Anthony rookie card, $1.50. And that's pretty much it. Juan Gonzalez, you can see there, rookie card is only 65 cents. I think the new Beckett has it at $1, so he hasn't really gained much in 30 years. So let's take a look at the latest Beckett here. This is October, I think, of this year. And let's see what we got. Of course, the page on 90 Topps is a lot smaller now. And we see the set booking in at $20. As you can see there, they have down $800 for the Frank Thomas no name on front. His regular rookie card, $3. Sosa, $2. Bernie Williams, $1.50. Larry Walker rookie card, $1. Juan Gonzalez rookie card, $1. And the usual stars there, Bonds, Clemens, Griffey, etc., all around $1. And that's pretty much it. So basically, as you can see here, it's Frank Thomas or bust. Because, like I said, there's not really a whole lot else in this set that's going to make you want to go out and pay, I think now, $40, $45 a box is what they're going for on eBay. So, you want that Frank Thomas no name on front. So let's not waste any more time and let's rip into these packs. All right, let's get going here. See what we can find tonight. Maybe a good no name on front Thomas and some really old gum here. Get these cards situated if I can. Let's see, Bucky Dent. Walt Terrell, Ryan Sandberg. Okay, that's a good sign. It's always good to find at least one star when you're starting out. Some of these packs here that aren't necessarily, sealed. So it's always good to get a star, someone that people might consider a card worth some value, even though it's really not. Fernando Valenzuela, I was just watching a video on YouTube a little while ago from his no-hitter in 1990. Always liked Fernando. Delino DeShields, Eric Davis All-Star. Like I said, with these here, you're not gonna get rich off of these. You're not gonna rush to send these into PSA unless you get the no name one. But it's still a fun set. Takes you back to being a kid opening these. Brett Saberhagen, Deion Sanders. Looking like, why are they taking my picture? I believe that is Deion's rookie card. But like I said, we're not really looking for anything but one card. Nothing there. Just move it right along here. Hope everyone is doing well tonight, today, whenever you're watching this. As always, leave me some comments if you have any suggestions on videos you want to see or things you'd like me to do. I am all ears. Roger Clemens. Got plenty of boxes of junk wax left to open up, as you can see from behind. Got all other ones too that you can't see. So got plenty of material to make videos with. So just a matter of picking out which one to do next. Lee Smith there. Mike Scott All-Star. Rick Aguilera. Another Rick Aguilera. Can't have enough Rick Aguileras, I guess. Hopefully I'll get a rookie soon, just to dispel the thoughts of buying a search box. I know we all do it when we get a box where the packs aren't sealed. You always have to back your head until you get something good, whether or not you got a search box or not. Sandy Alomar. You know, it's one of those pitfalls of buying things blindly online, that we're always taking a risk, hoping that the other guy is on the up and up. Keith Grissom. So far we're getting a whole lot of commons here. Nothing to write home about yet. Nothing to write home about yet, and we get rich yet. Okay. No pun intended, I guess. There we go, Ricky Henderson. Nice to see a Hall of Famer. Randy Johnson, second year. All right, seen some stars at least. It's always a positive. Although, you know, we're looking for the rookie cards. You know, the star cards really aren't going to make this worth it. All right, we'll just keep it going. So far, nothing exciting is going on here. Oh, there's that Todd Zeal. Back in the day, would have been $1.50. Look out. All we need now is the Ben McDonald rookie card. Tony Gwynn. Walt Weiss, okay. And I flipped them the wrong way. Okay. Barry Bonds, all right. Don't care for Bonds, but, you know, always good to get a star in there. Ruben Sierra, Andy Van Slyke. So far, no rookies that we're looking for. I don't know the precursors for Frank Thomas, so you have to bear with me. It'll be a surprise to me as well if we do get one. There's a Larry Walker rookie card. Okay, there we go. Dave Winfield, Eric Plunk. Not the most desirable Larry Walker rookie card, but, you know, getting one of the rookies is always better than getting none. Joe Carter, Tommy Lasorda. Whitey Herzog, Rob Dibble, Baines shouldn't be in the Hall of Fame. Roberto Alomar, John Kruk, Kirk Gibson, good pack of stars, but nothing really worth anything in there. Mark Grace, Oral Hershiser, Ozzie Guillen, the Bernie Williams rookie card, Bert Blyleven, Bart Giamatti. Okay, now we're seeing some rookies. That's a good sign. Not the big ones yet. No Sosa, no Thomas. But, you know, we're getting there. Nolan Ryan, nice card. Juan Gonzalez rookie. Tom Glavine, Pete Incavia, Nolan Ryan, 5,000 Ks. Still no Frank Thomas. Still have time. Rick Sutcliffe, Billy Ripken. Nice checklist. And Nolan Ryan 5,000 Ks, or Nolan Ryan Flashback Series, I forget what they call it. Oh, look what we got there. I saw the Frank Thomas. Didn't see the bottom though. Ah. Well, we got the Frank Thomas. It's just not a no name on front though. A little off center too. But, well, at least you can say, or at least I can probably say, the box wasn't searched. Unless they only wanted no name on front and they put everything else back, even the regular Frank Thomas, which would be odd, but you never know nowadays. Look out, almost lost the gum. Well, if this isn't a no name on front box, then at least give me like 6 more Frank Thomases then or something. Wade Boggs. And I flipped them the wrong way again. Right, it almost makes getting the regular Frank Thomas, not the no name in front, can almost make you want to just say, you know what, the hell with the rest of the box, who cares what's in it? But, you know, we love our junk wax, so we shall continue on and see what we get here. Ellis Burks, Saberhagen, Rock Reigns. I always thought that was dumb. Rock Reigns, like Tim was a bad name or something, but nice McGuire. I mean, what did calling him Rock Reigns make him seem hard, give him street cred? You know, I don't know. But there's Ryan Sandberg. pretty much it for that pack. So far, we got no Griffey, no Sammy Sosa, no Canseco. I mean, come on, no Canseco. This box was definitely searched if I don't get a Canseco. Eddie Murray. Pascual Perez with that soul glow. He probably tried to get a role in Coming to America, and they turned him down because they said, "You are just too ugly." But he definitely had that soul glow down. Rocking the Jerry curl. And nothing going on there. Nice Jim Abbott. Jim Abbott was a great story back in the day. Just watching him pitch and switching the glove from his, stub to his throwing hand in between after he released the ball, and how he managed to get to the major leagues with that. It's just, pretty incredible if you think about it. Deserves a lot of credit. Wally Joyner, Ellis Burks, checklist. Craig Biggio All-Star. Tom Gordon, Kurt Schilling, second year. Tony Gwynn. Walt Weiss, Tartable. Palmero, Jack Morris, Dante Bichette, Bobby Valentine. Getting down towards the bottom of the box here. Let's see what we can find. Craig Biggio, Melito Perez, Pascual's brother with the mini Jerry curl. Ben McDonald would have been the card back in the day. Was probably the hottest card in the set. Keep it going here. What we got? Dave Steve. Another Rock Reigns. Nothing going on in that pack. And got him upside down. Sorry about that. Ricky Henderson. Oral Hershiser. Turn back the clock. Sandy Koufax. Robin Ventura. Vizquel, Eddie Murray, Dickie Thon, Joe Girardi, Tony Gwynn, Jim Abbott. Down to our last few packs here. Hopefully we can finish up strong. No Sosa yet. No Canseco. Only one Thomas. Another Barry Bonds. Haven't seen Griffey Jr. yet either. Cal Daniels. Yep, down to the last two packs. Don Mattingly. All right, we're down to the last pack of the box. Still looking for a Sammy Sosa, Griffey, Canseco. Kirby Puckett All-Star. Matt Williams, Cangelosi, Lampkin, and Gary Wayne. All right, let's just check here. Yep, that is it. That is it for the box. Slim pickings here. Didn't pull a whole lot, but to be expected. I haven't opened one of these in 30 years, so I can't recall if you got everything in every box. Probably not. That's how it goes. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. Although we did not find any no name on front, we did pull one Frank Thomas card. Bernie Williams, Larry Walker, no Griffey Jr., no Sammy Sosa rookie card, etc. And no Canseco. What's up with that? But hey, things happen. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video.